Hello guys! Today is December 31 and we are waiting for New Year here in South Africa and everybody is busy but kami ay pagpapaganda para pagsalubong ng taon, we are beautiful for a year. So, nakikita niyo yan. Alam niyo ba guys, may kwento. Okay? Kaya sabi ko, i-vlog natin. Nung araw, nung mga 5 years old, 6 years old, minemake-upan ko yung mga yan. Pag kami mag-church, minemake-upan namin. Minemake-upan ko. Pag ako nagme-makeup, lahat sila nakatingin, guys. Don't mind my my eyebrow. Nilagyan ko ng tint. Hindi ayos. So, aayusin pa. Okay guys, so ayan, lagi yung nakatingin sa akin guys pag ako nagme-makeup. So sabi ko sa kanila ngayon, siguro, nung kayo yung mga bata pa, nakatingin kasi sila, nakatitig, so mine-makeupan ko sila, diba? So siguro, sabi nyo nung maliit pa kayo, I will do that when I grow up. At yan na nga guys, totoo daw, inamin naman niya, oo daw. Ayan pa yung isa. Yan pa yung isa. Oh, yan. Nama na sa tita. Ang kakikayan. Oh, ayan. Can I ask you something?
No.
I want to interview. What
No,
what were you thinking when I was doing makeup?
You asked us.
Your
that.
kalat
No.
is there. You see? Why the kalat is there? De. Why the kalat
Uncle
is there?
Michael's.
Is that for
Uncle
Kuya Michael?
Yeah.
Okay, so what? Tell me about before.
No,
When I was doing your
Auntie,
makeup.
please.
Even little one
Auntie,
only.
no.
Just for my vlog. Quickly.
We can do this tomorrow.
No, na. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh,
Wow.
on my, oh, look at my, my niece. So pretty. Like auntie. Look like auntie. So what were you thinking before when I was putting makeup?
Auntie, please.
When I do your makeup, quickly.
Auntie, no, I'm not ready.
You're not ready yet
I'm
for
not
that?
ready.
Hindi pa raw siya ready ng lagay na yun. Oh, kagaganda eh. Oh. So tell me, what are you doing before? Don't be shy.
No.
Malay mo makuha kang artista. Bilis. Baka nanonood si Derek, si PBB. Si Derek Loren. Ang bilis na. What did you say before? What were you thinking
Auntie,
before?
I need the script first.
Oh my word, what is script? No need script. We need reality. This is real. Ako nga walang edit, walang filter. Oh, tamo, ang pangit nga ng kilay ko. Oh. Guys, oh. Bilis na.
I'm not ready.
What were you thinking before when I was putting makeup on you? Bilis. Quickly. What were you thinking that time? Pinagtatawanan ako, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Makeup challenge by my niece. Ayan, nilalagyan niya na ako ng foundation. Bilis. Pagandahin mo ako, ha? Dapat pala kinuha mo muna ng after.
Here after.
Before and after.
Okay.
Yan ang before. Gandahan mo aming kuha. Huwag mo kunan yung aming mga legs eh.
Auntie, stop moving. Like, you have already on your forehead.
Baliktad na. Dati ako sa akin nagpapa-makeup tong mga to. Ngayon, ako namin ay make-upan. Oh. Kaya pala ako tinititigan nung araw nitong mga to pag may make-up. So sabi, I want to be like that. Same with auntie. With my auntie. Mahal, kumain ka na ba? Hindi ko nakarinig.
Don't. You know.
Why you siya? Kagaganda mo.
No.
You look like me.
No.
Especially the nose. Ay, ikaw ba?
Oh, why are you involving me? Why are you involving me? Yo, so much.
Oh, baby. Pinagtatawa na nila ako, guys.
What happened to the eyebrows? I have to draw
Ay,
new
you have
ones.
to, yeah. You have to, let me see how you gonna fix it. My Betty Lefea eyebrow.
Yeah. You don't have eyebrow.
Ito ah. It's new one.
Oh, you got
I
black.
bought today in
Are you sure
Crazy.
black?
Yeah. Not black. I think this is not black. Ayan guys, bagong bili. I
Ay,
cannot.
yung legs.
Can you open?
Are you showing the
Hala.
legs?
Hala.
Hala. Hala.
Ay, put there. This is mine eh.
Wait, it's almost done.
What is it? No, anong kulay? What color? Wala bang ano dyan, gunting?
It's black.
Ano yun mo muna?
Pause. Yo, actually, Ate, look, I'm drawing them on. Look. It's drawn on.
Ganda ng video ah. Ang sarap ng make-upan. Why? Guys, pinagtatawa na nila ako. I-ano mo muna pagka ganun. Okay guys, dahil ganyan ang kilay ko, De La Fea, Betty De La Fea, so lalagyan niya na, iko-correct niya. O, bilis. By putting, by applying concealer. Ayan, galing ng aking pamangkin, marunong na. Hindi ko yan tinuturuan, tinitingnan ko kung talagang marunong.
Wait, let me see.
Oh,
Let me see.
mm.
No, it's too thin.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, correct it,
So
correct it.
thin.
You must, bahala ka, bilis, bahala ka. Masyado raw na pa,
Wait. Oof. Let me see. Let me see. Look at me, not the camera. Yeah.
Naku guys,
It fell down.
Wait, let me see. Auntie, stop looking there. Oof.
ang sungit ng aking Wala na siyang katsura.
What the hell?
Saka na, ikukuha ka tang may pagka sa ate Gillian.
Look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
Right there.
Oh.
Naman malayo.
It's not. It's
Okay
perfect.
guys, nilagyan ako ng
It's perfect.
nose line. Nose contour. Kailangan ma-inlove dyan si Edison sa makeup mo,
Yo.
ha?
Pajama Kikai said, Happy New Year. It's like too dark. What powder you use? Must I use mine?
Yeah. Eh, wala ka dito. Wait daw, wait. Huwag daw akong makialam. Kasi,
Do you use pressed powder or mist powder?
press powder. Hindi ka pang katakot.
In the pressed powder. Processing now. Right. You look like a ghost.
Okay lang.
You must do
I
bronze,
will
Reina.
fix later if I don't do it.
You must do what? Bronze. What? Let's see. I don't know what's happening. Okay. We are in blush on. Processing now.
Hindi ka lang maganda ako dyan, ha? Kailangan ma-inlove sa akin si Uncle Edison, ha?
He is in love. Do you feel honey? Does your face feel
Remind me for that tomorrow, okay?
What?
This one to Ate Hershey.
Oh.
To Ate Cheche.
Oh my gosh.
Ano na napakapula.
And then, now I forgot what I did.
Ay, kukuha ko ng ano, pilit ko.
Opening.
Yes.
This one is like going down.
Eh kasi nga, siyempre, I'm old now, not like before.
To go up.
The technique for that, I do like this with concealer.
I look at powder.
Okay, now it's time for the real one. Di ba ako lalagyan ng ano?
Eyeshadow. Processing now.
Nagka-Halloween aba eh.
Wow. We're gonna put glitter. It's New Year's. It's glittery.
Sorry.
I want like the super glitter one.
Ang daming ba ba?
Like very much glitter, like gold. Like the
Oh, yes,
gold
this
that you
one.
put.
Akin yan.
Kaya parang parang.
Oh, your lip liner. Where's your lipstick?
Rina, the mole you must
Nandun
put
sa ano.
with
Kunin mo
eyeliner.
yung
Her
red,
mole.
ano ko, kunin mo yung red.
Wow, ganda. It's ganda.
Wait, auntie. No, it's not. It's so messy. It's a blender.
Tapos na?
Eyeshadow still. Wait.
Highlight the mole.
Let me see.
Not highlight.
Finish?
No. Auntie, where's the eyelash killer?
Eyelash.
Put it again.
Huh?
Oh, now you can see.
And I think you need to put the eyeliner in the mole. Highlight it.
I can.
Let's see how it looks on camera. Auntie. Wow.
Is it pretty?
Pretty.
Wow,
It looks
thank
better
you.
in real life.
Yeah, let me see.
Let me see.
Is it nice, guys? Tell me, please comment if it's nice. Makeup by my Miss Reina. Ayan. Oh, keep mo na yan.
And cut.
Hello guys! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Pulang-pula lipstick ko. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, ang aming New Year celebration. New Year celebration. Ayan. Ayan lang. Just simple like that, guys. Oh, ayan. Mayroon pang
Ito yellow,
sa
oh.
bata. Happy New Year. Ang mahal ko, tulog na.
What is that? Oh.